Welcome to our video on 5 inspirational quotes about intraday trading. Let's explore how these words can transform your trading journey. The market presents limitless chances to make or lose money. The skill lies in differentiating the two effectively. Successful intraday trading isn't just about profits. It's equally crucial to manage risks and protect your capital. Don't hesitate to secure your profits. Remember, it's better to have sure gains than risk them for more. Always trust the market's movements. Our task is to adapt, learn, and grow from its fluctuations. Discipline is vital for intraday trading success. Adhere to your strategy regardless of market volatility. By embracing these insights, you can improve your trading mindset and outcomes. Let these quotes inspire your path. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more trading wisdom and inspiration. Until next time, trade wisely.